Hey everyone, today I'm diving into the Saloniture rolling hydraulic salon stool with low backrest. Let me tell you, this stool is a game changer for anyone in the salon, spa, or medical office industry. First off, let's talk comfort. The high-density foam used in this stool provides ultimate durability and comfort, perfect for those long hours of sitting. And don't worry about it losing shape over time, it's designed to maintain its form, even after prolonged use. Now, onto the sturdy support. This stool is built to last. With a heavy-duty metal base and a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, you can trust that this stool will support you no matter what. Plus, the 360-degree swivel and non-slip, non-marring casters make maneuvering around your workspace a breeze. One of my favorite features is the adjustable height. With the easy access angled lever, you can adjust the height from 21 inches to 27 inches to suit your needs perfectly. And let's not forget about the padded low backrest, providing extra support for those with lower back pain. The multifunctional design of this stool makes it perfect for a variety of uses, from Reiki and massage treatments to hair salons and medical offices. Plus, the oil and stain-resistant upholstery make cleaning a breeze. Overall, I highly recommend the Saloniture rolling hydraulic salon stool with low backrest. It's comfortable, sturdy, and versatile, everything you need in a salon stool. Trust me, you won't be disappointed with this investment. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.